It's craft fair season, and if you're looking to double, triple, or maybe even quadruple your sales, I think I found the perfect tool for you. This is the xTool F2 portable laser. xTool actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test this out, and I said yes. But I'm going to be going into this with zero laser experience. So this is a real beginner's perspective. And I'll be honest with you, when I first opened the box, I was a little overwhelmed. But after using it, it turned out to be way more beginner friendly than I was expecting. So of course, the first thing I wanted to do was engrave my logo. I figured if this worked, I could put my logo on everything and make some really fun custom products. So I jumped into the software, and this is where I thought I'd struggle the most. But this part is what actually surprised me. There's a built-in camera that will show you exactly where your design is going to land on your material. So instead of just guessing and messing things up, you can literally just drag your design around in real time and put it in the correct spot. It really is a what you see is what you get situation, which makes this way less intimidating if you've never used a laser before. So I tested my logo first, and I was honestly expecting to mess this up. But it actually came out clean on the first try. And once I saw that, I got really excited. I started throwing random designs I've made over the years on a bunch of different materials: leather, wood, acrylic, metal, even fabric. And how fast this thing is blew my mind. Once you have everything set up, you can make products really fast, which is perfect if you're looking to mass produce a large amount of things for a craft fair. So next I wanted to try something a little more difficult: metal. Even though I have zero laser experience, I have looked into them, and from what I've seen, this is where the cheaper machines struggle. But the xTool F2 actually has a separate laser specifically for metal, and it makes these a really clean, high contrast. And yeah, seeing it in person, it's actually super sharp. This is the kind of thing that you could use to easily sell a premium product. And I was also curious how strong this thing was, so it was time to test it out. The acrylic cut so clean, and this is great because I have a project coming up with wood and acrylic that I need to cut extremely accurately, and this seems like it'll be the perfect tool for that. This is where it stopped feeling like just a portable craft fair machine and more like a tool that I'll be using in a lot of projects. But I think the biggest thing for me right now is being able to make multiple items at once. If you're setting up for a craft fair, you're not just making one item, you're making a lot of items. So I tested doing a batch of pieces all at the same time. And this is exactly where it started to really make sense for a small business. You can set everything up and just let it run instead of having to do everything one by one. And one more feature it has is built-in AI design tools. Now personally, I still really enjoy and prefer making my own designs and using my own branding, but that's just me. I can totally see how this would be helpful if you get stuck or you just need a jumping off point with your design. You could type in an idea and it'll generate something that you can use right away. I can see this being really helpful at a craft fair for custom work right there on the spot. As of right now, I'm probably sticking with my own designs, but like I said, this could be really useful in the right situation. So even though I'm not currently setting up for an actual craft fair right now, I can see this thing has massive potential. Being able to customize products on the spot, make things quickly, and just offer more variety. And I think that's how you could stand out at a craft fair and get way more sales. Instead of just selling pre-made items, you can actually offer personalized products which people are way more likely to buy. I'm sure I'll be doing a craft fair before the year is over, and I'm so excited to be able to work this tool into my process. Coming into this with zero experience, I honestly thought it was going to be really complicated. But between the camera system, the AI tools, and how fast it is, it actually makes the whole process feel a lot more approachable. It doesn't feel like you have to be an expert to get started, and that was what I was worried about. So, if you've been thinking about getting into something like laser engraving, or you're just looking for a way to expand your products, the xTool F2 is definitely something worth checking out. I'm going to put a link in my description and my tag comment if any of you are interested and want to look more into it. Alright, I'm going to go back to putting my logo on everything in my house. See you later. Bye.
Bye, see you again, and have a good dream.